Lilliputians tied him with the help of thousands of the string, as well as how what we say that the important person gave a long speech with the help of gestures that we have seen. Now next point is that students, Gulliver was told that person, I want food because I am hungry. Now see student, next is that Gulliver is a giant meal. Okay, now see, at once 100 men climbed up on my body and marched up to my mouth, covering food. The bread was as small as bullets, so I ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time, and cries of the surprise rose from the Lilliputians that I should eat so quickly and so much. The Lilliputians were no longer afraid of me. They danced upon my body and ran to and fro. I could have caught at least 40 of them with my hands and thrown them around, but I remembered my promise to remain quiet. Indeed, I was surprised at their bravery, for I must have seemed the greatest giant in the world. Now see student, at the pulse, when he told that I want food because I am hungry, that time 100 men in soldier climbed upon his body and they started to give bread, okay, that Gulliver, but that bread was very small like a bullet, okay, that's why he ate the loads of means that they, in a one time he started to eating 12 breads, okay, bunch of the breads, and when the Lilliputians saw that, they cried in surprise, how he at a time 12 in one time. This that's why they surprised. Okay. Now see, now the Lilliputians were no longer afraid. Now they not afraid to the Gullivers. Okay. They started dance on his body as well as to move to and fro. To move to and fro means student, first in one direction and then in the opposite direction. One direction and opposite direction means in the front and back side, to and fro. Okay. Okay. The Gulliver told us, I got angry. I could catch the 40 men in one time, and I can throw them on the ground, okay, away, down. But I remember my promise. He gave his promise to that important person. I would remain, keep quiet, okay. That indeed I was surprised. The Gulliver said us, I was surprised because as compared that soldier are looking very small, but I was very giant, means huge, big person as compared to that Lilliputians, but they not afraid to me. Okay. Okay. Now see, later I was taken to city where the king lived. A great card was made by joining many cards. 900 men worked for the 3 hours to put me onto the cart, which was drawn by the 1500s of the king's finest horses. The city was just half a mile away, but the journey took almost full day. Now see student, later on he was taken to the city where the king lived, okay, and student, near about the 900 soldier Lilliputians, they tried to put him in the cart, okay, and student, if you see that there are the 1500 horses, that king's finds horses, they are joined to the cart, and student, if you see the distance of that city was only half mile, but they took almost the whole day in taking journey to come in the city. Now see student, next is that Gulliver's news home. Now see, the king The king came out to meet me. He came near and looked at me, but it was not thought safe for him to climb up on me. At the place where the car stopped, there was an old church. It was the largest building in the whole country. For certain reasons, it had not been used as a church for many years. It had now been made ready for me to use as my house. The great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide, so I could go into by going down on my hands. One of my feet was set in a great ring on the end of many strong strings, so that I could not get away, but could only walk some distance outside my door. The country outside looked like a garden. After some days, the king and his people were convinced that I would not harm them. So after I agreed to keep certain orders of the king, I was allowed to move around. Now see student, the king that came out, okay, to meet the Gullivers, okay, and he looked at the Gulliver, but he not thought safe to climb on his body, okay. Student, where the car stopped, there was one church, and that building was very high in whole country, okay. Large, that church was very largest, and that church was the had been not used for certain reason, and that church is prepared as a home of the Gullivers, okay. If you see the student, that building has a great door in the north direction, 4 feet high, and that is a high and 2 feet wide, and because of that student, that Gulliver can go down on his hand, okay. And student, in his one leg there is a ring set, and that ring tied with the ring set with and he that ring is tied with the help of string, okay. And because of what is the main reason, that Gulliver should not go away, okay. After the some days, they convinced the Gulliver, Gulliver not harm him then, okay. So after Gulliver also agreed to to follow the certain orders of the king, and that's why he was allowed to move around, okay. After the some days, what happened? The Gulliver they convinced be sure that Gulliver not would be harm to us and do trouble to us, and he also agreed to follow his certain order. That's why they gave permission to move around. Okay, understood student? Now see, Gulliver visit the city and the queen. Okay, now see, the Gulliver want to visit the city. Okay, to see the city. Now see, as soon as I was set free, I asked if I might see the city. The king was pleased to let me do this. Order were given to all the people to remain in their houses. I then stepped over the wall, went very carefully along the largest street. All the windows were full of the faces looking out at me. Large number of the people were standing on the tops of the houses. The king's house was just at the place where two great streets meet. There was a beautiful garden on all sides of it. Lying down in the garden, I put my eyes in the windows. The room inside were very beautiful. In one room, I saw the queen and some young princess. They were greatly pleased by my visit. Now see student, that Gulliver told that king, I want to see your whole city, and he gave also permission. Okay. Now see, the king was pleased to let him do this. will come to see the our city. Okay, now see student. Then step over. He started walking along and went carefully along the two largest streets. He started walking on the that two largest street. Okay, all the windows were full of faces. When he started to walking on the street, all the that window that were covered with the faces. All people, all Lilliputians, that they were collecting to see the Gulliver's face, and on the top of houses that also what do we say, covered with the men's. Okay, now see student, there the king's house was just at the place where the great street meet. He saw the king's house. There was a beautiful garden on all sides of it. Lying down in the garden, I put my eye to window. Okay, when he reached at the place of the king palace, he saw his eyes gone at the window. In that window, there was one room. In that room, he saw the queen with the princess. Okay, they were greatly pleased by his visit, and they also were looking very happy to see the Gullivers. Okay, student, in this way we have seen about the Gullivers, how visit the city, how Gullivers, which house was given to the Gulliver, and which type of the food he ate, that we have studied in this lesson. In this way